everyone, I'm Barbara Alowski. I'm very excited to have you in my class for elementary statistics. This is the first time that I'm doing one of these home videos on my own. Usually I'm in the television studio, so I'm really hoping this works. Hopefully what you're seeing is me in the corner and my website on the screen. Now, I've sent you all an email, which is how you were able to access this video. And I want to point out a few things about the course and the screen and how to get started. If this works, so far as you enjoying these videos, I'll make some short ones every week or so to try to talk with you, at least a one-way talk. So the first thing is you're on my home page right here. And then I want you to go and you'll see that we have Math 10 right on the left, and you click Math 10, and that will take you to the course web page where I have just some basic information about getting started with the course. So there's some information here about the course being full. If you're enrolled in the course, then you've already cleared your prerequisite and you don't need to worry about it. And so I have some first steps. The first thing I'd like you to do is I'd like you to watch this short little video on what it takes to be an online student. It's just a few minutes and it's actual students being recorded with their advice. If it turns out that you realize this may not be the best option for you so far as delivery method, then I think it's really important that you recognize that and you sign up for a face-to-face class. The distance learning class is a fabulous format for students who are very independent learners, who maybe have taken some other courses online and they thought, oh, this is a great way for me to work, who are happy not having too many questions and happy working on their own. If you find that you miss the interaction or that, gee, you don't really keep up with deadlines if somebody's not reminding you daily, then it's not a great format for you. Also, if you're really insecure in math, it's not a great format either. On the other hand, for many people, this is a fabulous way to take courses, and it fits in with their schedules, and that's why I have this course. So you're going to be watching this short little video. Then if we go down, I want you to see that we have, and these are on the course registration site, you'll see that our exams are proctored and on campus. You need to be able to come to school to be able to take the exams. If you can't make it these dates that are right here, then you're welcome to make arrangements with me to take a test early. Once the test is given, that's it, because I like to post it for everybody to see. We have our course syllabus right over here, and when you click on it, you'll see that I have information, my email address, which you already have, the location of my office, student learning outcomes, information about the book, and I want you to see that the book, this is what it looks like in hardcover, but you don't need to purchase the hardcover copy. You can view it online for free. If you decide to purchase the hardcover copy, it's about $30 at the college bookstore, or you could order it directly on Amazon. You could also just use it online for free. There's no charge for that. Using it live, you could download the PDF, or if you're so inclined, you can buy the iPad app, and I'm going to get mine up right here. I purchased it. You can see it's in my collections, and I'll open it up. I personally think this is the best way to go if you have an iPad, because of the fact that, oops, I didn't do it. I closed it. Here we are. Because of the fact that you can highlight and you can take notes. And there's also interactive features. So you can go through this book, and if you decide you want to get the app, it's $4.99. What you actually download is OpenStax, and I have information for that, the link of where to go. Other information, you'll see here that we have other faculty members who have posted materials for you that you're welcome to look at. We have quizzes, we have labs to do. You can do them individually or in groups. We have homework every week. That's the only part of the course that costs anything besides the tuition, is the WebAssign Homework system costs $33. So you have the book for free. If you already have a graphing calculator, you're there. But the homework system is $33. And if that's a problem, read through here. You can do it by hand. Have our exam dates and information on the different point schedules. So we have our exams, project, quizzes, labs, homeworks, so on. I drop three of the homeworks, or two, sorry, I dropped two of the homeworks and I dropped two of the quizzes. And so if you have any problems technically, or you miss something, or you're sick, you're in luck. I drop one lab as well. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to the course right here. Maybe I'm going back to the course. I'm gonna quit Word. Okay, there we are. The Media and Learning Center is near the garage, the Flint Center garage. And then you can access Catalyst and WebAssign starting day one of the course. So I'm sending you this now, but you're not going to be able to access it now. But you can access it starting day one. Here's information. Here's information to get you started. And you'll also see for the labs, I have a grading rubric right here. Tells you how I'm going to be grading the labs. Here are the 4 labs that we'll be doing. Here's the information about getting the textbook. So if we click on this, you'll see that we go to Introductory Statistics. You then press Get This Book. And you have all these options. This is the $4.99 iPad book. You can get a hard copy at the bookstore or online. You can use the PDF for free. The web view is for free. There's you can also have it for free on your Android or iPhone. And if you need an accessible version for this, this would be if you have vision problems and challenges, you can download the Bookshare version of the book. Okay, going back here now. Here are the requirements. What I would suggest you do is that you look and download the chapter videos now if you'd like to do that, and that you get your book, and that you look at your calculator. I have the graphing calculator right here that we're going to be using, TI-83 or 84. There are video instructions in iTunes U that are free on how to use it for the statistics features. The only thing I want to point out right now for you, for those of you who have it, is that the negative sign is this button, and the subtraction sign is where the other operations, and is this one right here. They are not interchangeable. If you need to subtract, you need to press the subtraction. If you need a negative, it's right here. If you want to repeat your last operation, you can press second and entry. And if you want to use the number you just got, so you don't have to round, you can press second and answer, which is behind the negative. That's it for now. Once you get inside Catalyst, you'll see that I have a video in there that says start here, and that's that you'll be looking at starting on day one of the course. I hope that you have a great term with me this year, and please email me and send me messages, and I look forward to meeting all of you in person.